So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in this video I'm gonna talk something very interesting about Stable Diffusion. The things that you need to learn in order to get better in Stable Diffusion first of all. Okay, so today I was just having fun with this model. Actually I was having fun with the top model, the best model in Stable Diffusion. That's Protogen X3 and Dreamlike Diffusion model. Actually what I was going on to was I was just having fun with checkpoint merger. I was just trying this checkpoint merger first of all. So what checkpoint merger does is that actually it merges two of the checkpoint. Okay, whatever checkpoints you are using, whatever models you are using, .ckpt file or .savetensor file, it merges two of the models, and with this checkpoint merger, with merging two different checkpoints, you can get amazing results as well. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, I was just experimenting these things. I was just having fun with this thing and trying to learn this thing. If I am wrong over here, then you can correct me, as I want to learn this quickly as possible, as it's getting very interesting. So if I am wrong, do correct me, okay, in the comment section. First of all, let me tell you. Okay, so here you can clearly see you can add up to 3 models: primary model A, secondary model B, and tertiary model 3. Okay, I'm yet to learn tertiary model and I will make a different video on that. Okay, first of all, let me tell you what I was doing. So I'm just going in this video, I'm just going on to primary model A and secondary model B. Okay, in primary model A, you just put those checkpoints that you want to refine first of all. Okay, like I want to refine this Protogen X 5.3 model. Okay, and in secondary model, you just put that model or that checkpoint from which you want to grab the datas. Okay, you want to grab the results like a Dreamlike Diffusion, so just put that model in secondary model. Okay, so this is the thing that you do in primary model A and secondary model B. Okay, in the next video I'm gonna tell you about tertiary model, as I'm yet to experiment this. Okay, the next thing is that custom name. Okay, custom name, just put on to custom name that you can put custom name as well. Like here I'm using Pro for Protogen and Dream for Dreamlike. Okay, so that I can easily understand which of the model is this. Okay, the next thing is that multiplier M. So now this is very important and this is easy to understand. Okay, first of all, the more the value you set, okay, the more the value you set. Okay, here you can clearly see I have already made 2 models: Pro Dream 0.5 for 0.5 value and Pro Dream 1 for maximum multiplier 1. Okay, so that's how I was making, and like let me set 0.3 over here and I will just add 0.3 dash 0.3. okay, so I can easily understand that this model is Pro Dream model and 0.3 multiplier. So that's how I set my custom name. And multiplier is just easy to understand. The more multiplier you set, the more it will add datas from this model to this model. Okay, so I'm yet to experiment this also thing, but let me tell you, that's how I merged this model. Okay, the next thing is that interpolation method. Okay, weighted sum, you need to select weighted sum for primary model A and secondary model B, and add difference for tertiary model if you add tertiary model. I think so. For tertiary model I will make another video, so I will keep it for another video. Okay, so now in the checkpoint you can select whatever you want, checkpoint or safe tensor. As I'm using safe tensors for both of the models, as you can clearly see I'm using safe tensor model, so I just selected this. Okay, so now I just kept this as it is. Okay, and I just merged this model. Okay, so when you merge this model, it will automatically generate this model. Okay, so now as you can see, the model is created. You can see Pro Dream 0.3. okay, so it's easy to understand with custom name. Okay, so that's how I was having fun with this model. As you can clearly see, I was just messing up with this model. Okay, let me show you the result that I was getting first of all. Okay, so here you can see I was just getting the result. At this moment, let me tell you, I was literally having zero knowledge about X and Y script. Okay, so here you can see I was just trying with Dreamlike model. First of all, I was trying different model. Let me show you. This is the Dreamlike Diffusion model. On top of that, you can see the name. Okay, which model I was testing. This was Dreamlike Diffusion model 1.0. That's the original model. And here you can see Pro Dream model 0. with 0.5 multiplier. You can see the results. Okay, let me show you quickly the result. And this is the Pro Dream model with 1 multiplier. Okay, Protogen X 5.3 and Dreamlike diffusion model with one multiplier. Okay, so that's how I was using. Okay, and this is the original Protogen X 5.3 results. Okay, you can clearly see these are the Protogen X 5.3 results. Okay, at this moment I was literally having zero knowledge about how to compare with this model. So then I learned one of the best thing, that was about the XY plot. So after learning about XY plot, here you can see I quickly generated the results of the two models, Protogen X 5.3 model and ProDream 0.5 multiplier model. Okay, with different samples, as you can clearly see over here. So that's how I learned to compare these models. Okay, now let me tell you how to have fun with this model. If you create multiples of models like this 0.3, 0.5, 1, and if you want to compare this, okay, so let me tell you, in order to compare this, you need to go on to XY plot. Come here on script, go on to XY plot. First of all, go on to XY plot. In first X type, okay, just click on to checkpoint name. Okay, just click on to checkpoint name, and this second, you first of all go with sampler. Okay, and then now what you want to do is that, let me tell you, this is really very fun. If you learn this, then it will be really very fun. Okay, so now what you want to do is that in checkpoint name, just add the exact name as the model that you are trying to generate. Okay, like I want the result from Protogen X 5.3. As you can clearly see over here, it's Protogen X 5.3 photorealism model underscope 10 dot save 10. Don't type dot save 10, just only the name of the main model. Okay, the next comparison I want, the second comparison I want is ProDream 0.5 multiplier. Okay, 0.5 multiplier, and the next thing that we just created is that ProDream. As you can clearly see, we created this model, ProDream 0.3 model. Okay, so just create exact name, you need to type the exact name. Okay, ProDream, what we type, dash 0.3. okay, just add it over here, dash 0.3. okay, in this we will go with three samplers. Okay, Euler A, Euler and DPM plus 2M Keras model. Okay, here you can clearly see, so that we will get three results on Y axis. Okay, and three results of Protogen X 5.3 model, ProDream model and ProDream 0.3 model on X axis. Now let's generate this and let's see if we get the results or not. Okay, okay, so here we are guys. As you can see, we got three results from Protogen X 5.3 photorealism model, ProDream 0.5 model and ProDream 0.3 multiplier model. Okay, as you can clearly see, you can easily compare with this thing. I literally didn't know about this X and Y plot, so this is the best thing that I learned today about while I was just having fun with checkpoint merger. And this is how you can quickly learn that what results do you get with different multiple models. Okay, and one thing, let me tell you, if you add more of these things, more of the models and more of the samplers as well, okay, so the more you add, the more time it will take you for you to generate images. First of all, let me tell you, okay, this is how you will learn these things very quickly. Actually today I was just wanted to learn how to merge models and how to generate good results with this. Okay, so in this I just learned two things about this, and this is how you get. Let me tell you one more example of this. First of all, let's go with like CFG scale. Okay, CFG scale, we will select CFG scale from like let's check from 7 to I think so, let's check on 9, so that we will get 7 to 7, 8 and 9. What result we'll get from 7 to 9, I guess. Okay, this is the result we should get. Okay, then let's check. Okay, let's try and let's try to generate one more time and let's see what result do we get. Okay, so here we are guys, this is the result that we got. Okay, as I've already said, this is the second example of CFG scale. That's how you can mess with any other thing as well. Okay, this is the second example. As I said already, I was messing up with CFG scale. I set to 7 to 9 values. Okay, here you can see we already got the result of CFG scale 7, CFG scale 8 and CFG scale 9 for these models. Okay, so this is how you can check different model. As you can clearly see, I was just trying to learn checkpoint merger and wanted to try to get results, good results of with merging different models. And this is what I learned today, and it was quite interesting, as literally I can tell you that I'm still beginner in this and I'm still trying to learn this thing. Okay, so this is the thing that I learned today about XY plot and how to learn. This is the way you can learn very quickly about different models and different things. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and it was, I think so, very long video and a very informative video as well. So that's it for today, and that's it how you do a comparison between different models, and that's it how you merge different models and get different results out of it, and you can compare easily with X and Y plot and checkpoint name and other thing as well. Okay, so this is how you can learn it very quickly, and you can generate good images as well. Okay, so that's it for today, and I will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Bye guys.